Hello everyone, welcome to Inventive Kids, and today in this video we would explore the new version of Scratch. Okay, we would be knowing the new version of Scratch is Scratch 3.0. So let's discover it. In this video I will tell you what are the new features in Scratch and how we have to work with it, and also I would also tell you that how can I implement those versions in Scratch. So let's get started. So your interface when you open Scratch for your Scratch, so you will see like this. Many things many things have been changed here. We are provided with new versions and all. You can see this is one, and this is one, and many more. Okay, so let me tell you step by step all of these versions. Okay, so let's get started now. First we will come to the ribbon. Okay, so in the ribbon you have these things like the scratch project, okay, then you have the tutorials, and then you have files, and then edit, and there is this globe kind of a thing. Okay, and above, I'll show you, and above you can see the version of Scratch. So what is my current version? Which version I'm using? I'm using Scratch 3.29.1. Okay, so whenever you would be downloading, or so you will get your version here. It may help in many ways, like suppose if you're downloading any other app for Scratch, suppose like Turbowrap, so you can download according the version. Okay, I would tell you what is Turbowrap in this video only. Okay, but first let us understand each feature, and then we will jump to Turbowrap. Okay, so let's come to the Scratch project. What is this? So this Scratch project, as you can see, is nothing but 1 minute. Is nothing but you have to just write the name, whatever you want to keep your file's name. Suppose I write project 1 and this is my pro 1. Okay, so like this you can, when you click enter, when you will save your file, it would be as pro 1. Okay, it is nothing special about it. Then we have tutorials. What is this tutorial? So I will tell you about it. Okay, so let's click on it. So when you click it, as the name suggests, tutorials, Scratch provides you ready-made like step-by-step instructions which you can follow and make a project. So here you go. When you are confirmed, like if I go as he says, come here and then here, then you will go to the next step after clicking it. So you will get like it has only 1 to 5 steps, whatever. Okay, so like I know all this. If you want to know how to make an animate a name, so you click on the particular desired one, then follow whatever it says. Okay, after saying it, here you have the script and all. Okay, here is the script. So to follow whatever is saying, and then you will see all of these in. Okay, like what to do then and what to do again, and then here you have again the codes, and then just follow them. So you will get what the final project, If you are not sure, you can do it once again. For now, I'm just deleting all these stuffs. Okay. So I think you have understood what is tutorials. Now coming up to edit. In edit, you have restore sprite and you have turbo mode. Okay. Suppose what is restore sprite? Let's know. If I add a sprite like a banana and give it some kind of command. Okay. You will in my next video you will also get to know what each block does for you. Okay. So suppose I write this and I 1 minute. Okay. I click here. So it would move 10 steps. Right. But my mistake, I delete it. To go here and it will automatically delete. And also I delete this also because I was horrified and know what about it. You will see restore sprite. Again, so you will see your sprite has restored. So like this you can do. If I do again, we'll see the banana again. Now I said why I did it. I did the code. Let me show you why I did the code. Suppose I deleted it full. I wanted to delete the motion one, but I deleted the other one. And I was like, but you said that it is not working for the code. Yes, as it says restore sprite. It only restore the sprite, not the code. I'm just confusing you. Okay. So if I click here, you will see here is the person. Sorry, not the person. It's a banana. Funny. Okay. So like if I write this, I don't do 10 steps. And now what is turbo mode? When I on the turbo mode, what happens? Let me show you. So I'm off. I had switched off. It is moving 5 steps, right? Let me bring it to the here. Okay. So I wanted my banana to be here. Okay, he's in the middle now. Now if I click here, like I click one flag. So I'm going to click on the flag. It's moving 5 steps. But if I switch on the turbo mode and click here once, 1 minute. If I click here once, but I have to add one more code here. Repeat. It happens like I had switched on the turbo mode now. Okay. So it wouldn't play it would directly go. 1 minute. Okay. No, I'm like forgetting everything. Okay. So if I click here, it would go here. Okay, if I did forever 10 steps, it would come here. Unless and until I will stop, it wouldn't do. Okay. And you would be saying, what is the advantage of turbo mode? You won't be getting it right now. Okay. When you will start to make art, then you would know how turbo mode works then. See, it's coming again. So you will see it's a disadvantage. Yes, everything has its advantage and disadvantage, but it will be having its advantage when we will try to make art with using Scratch. Now suppose I turn off it. 1 minute. Okay. Now I have to click, then it will go. Okay. It will take a delay. It was showing that I'm going. But if I on the turbo mode, it directly goes here. Okay, let me show you guys. See. Let me bring it here. Okay. I think you have understood what is this. Okay. Now if I restore the sprite, you will see everything is back to its position. Means it's a redo type of a thing which is only working with sprite. Okay. What is this file? want to create a new file, it will say replace the content. So you will see a new file. Now then, you have load from your computer. It will download in your computer and save to your computer means it will save to your computer. Okay, so if I want to save this, we come here, I will select enter, done. It is saved. You can view from here. Okay. So really now I think you understood. It is simple, like you can save and make a new project in Scratch. Then you have this globe one. What is this globe? Is it something related that we can connect to the world? Yes, many of people think that it is like that, but it isn't what you are thinking. This globe is nothing but it is languages. You can do languages, means customized languages. Because I want everything in French. Everything is in French, right? Suppose like there's a programmer who doesn't knows English. We're saying, hey, English is an international language. Yes, it's international, but it happens. Like there's no, like it happens in some of the states, not states, in some of the countries and like regions where English isn't spoken up. But like if you want in French, like your mother tongue is French and you want everything in French, not in English, so you can customize it. If you want in like some of the other languages, like Afrikaans, see, everything is in Afrikaans. Maybe tutorials or maybe anything. Everything is in Afrikaans. Okay. Suppose you want in any language you know what you want, you can see everything is in but this language. Okay, I want in English. Okay, I understand English, none of them. Okay, so I'm learning, but let me stick to English. Okay. So yes, where were we? Yes. Now let us come a bit down here. This you can see these all. So what you can see this part. Let me tell you what I'm doing. This one, okay, where I'm drawing the line. This part is nothing but it is all related to what you want to look. See, suppose like this is the layout. What happens in this layout? So in this layout, what happens, like your screen is being visible as you can see in the picture. This is like this one. This particular thing is like this. Here is the stage. Would be knowing what is stage in Scratch? No. Okay. So if the ones who don't know what is stage in Scratch, where your Scratch is following the command that is known as stage. Okay. So this is the stage. So the stage is highlighted in blue color. Okay. Means this is a stage. Here is the where you customize your sprite and backdrop, and here you write your code. Okay. So what this is written here. So if you can see, the blue part is bigger here, right? The blue part is bigger here, but here it becomes small. Okay, the blue part is bigger here. Okay, means the stage will be big. Okay, and the blue part here is small because your stage would be small. Simple. It's logical. Okay, so if you see, it is small. Why it is small? Because sometimes like people have lengthy like if they have lengthy code and all. Okay, and it doesn't come in this much space. So what they want, let me show you. So what they do, suppose This is their one line of code written here. Okay, written here. Then there are more, okay. So like they have covered this whole part, the full page. So what they have another option? They would write the code here. Suppose here they have code and all. Okay, I can't draw this code. So they have your code there. Now they have covered the full page. So like if you write any list of words, you don't use the next page. What to do? You make a column and write in the remaining part. So like that they can also write here. So which will allow them 3 columns and they can easily see their code. Okay, but here they would be only having 2 columns, right? Okay, that's why you can use this particular view. I hope you have understood what I'm trying to say. And what is this? Okay, so let me tell you what is this. So this, what you can see is nothing but if you see this, like these arrows, it simply means that full screen. Let me draw. If you can't see it, so this literally means that you can maximize your screen to full. Yes. So let me show you how. So when you click here, you will see your like the stage, full stage. It is useful when you are making any drawing tool like whiteboard. You can make whiteboard in Scratch. Let me make my stage bigger. So you can make whiteboard in Scratch. Okay. You can also, like if you want to like in this much, you're presenting your screen and you don't want that they can they can see your code and then copy them. Yes, it happens. If you present a screen to someone, like during meeting and calls, someone might do a screen, like take a screenshot and copy yours and say like, see, I'm also did. You don't want that. You can do. And yes, you already have a flag, which is the go one, the stop one. Okay, and only these buttons are needed to operate your Scratch. And the rest you can use a keyboard, like when K key pressed, move 10 steps. I will tell you how to do that in my next video. Okay, so first till now let me I think you had understood what is this. Now coming here, what is these all? Costume sounds for. You know what is code. Here you have the codes which you can drag here and do whatever you want, right? And this costumes, let me okay, so this costume is nothing but here you can make it costume whatever you want. You can ungroup it. If you ungroup, how it's ungroup, see, just like this. So here you can, like, you can make a jigsaw puzzle if you're bored. Hey, let me make a jigsaw puzzle. So here you have this jigsaw puzzle, but you can't do anything here. You have to do only here. It's looking scary. So let me be. Oh, it's looking like he's seeing there, but he's not seeing there. I think it's a bit long thing, but if you have fun, do like the video. He's looking a bit strange, but but it's a new Scratch, right? Don't worry, you can so you can make like this also. Whatever you want. Okay, like if I want this mustache to be very, very, very long. Oh, this is Mr. Mustache. Okay, this is how you can like do with your Scratch and if fidget things you want. looking like he's just from a moon, like he's having a big mustache. Okay, you can also read over here if you can see. Clicking here, again. Like this, you have final. Here you can like whatever you want. I want to cut this. This is only the ungrouping part. Here I can delete this. Delete. I want to delete all this much. Or I want to delete his hands. I want to delete his legs this much. Delete. Delete it. Like this you can also make your scratch, cut and cross whatever you want. And here you can paint it. I want a small dot in his head because it would look nice, right? I want the earrings in his hand or any kind of a bracelet or whatever. We can paint it here. Okay, I want to make it a dotted cat. He's very has a design in his mustache and all. Whatever you want to do, you can do here. Then you want to erase this much. Erase all. Okay, you can do anything you want. I want to erase this much. I want to erase this much. It's like this one, but here you can select according to here. But here is like painting. And if you want to fill something, I want to fill this much, like in this color. You have this colors. I want to fill like his head like this. Here you can do anything you want. You can make a line. You can make a this. What is this all about, shapes and all? So I hope you understood what to do. You can add text also, like this is my cat. My cat. You can see my cat is written. Okay. It's looking very horrible. And what is this? Here you can make your scratch. If you click here, paint. Here you can, like if you want to make a button, you can make, no issue. You can make a button, whatever you want. I want to add a text here. Like cat. Click. I don't know what it is written. Like this, you can make whatever you want. Whatever you want. You can make anything. Like this. I hope you understood what is we are doing with costumes. And your sounds, you can add sounds. You can record sounds. Let me play for you. Okay. Like this. Like there are many sounds. You can also record. You can upload. What I want to do? Suppose I want to record my voice. So see. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Let's see how to record sounds. You can see. Now I can trim according to, like I don't want this much because I'm not saying in this much part. I want this much part only. Save. Let's see what. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Let's see how to record sounds. This. You can make it louder. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Let's see how to record. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nothing. But I don't muted. Oh no, everything is gone. No worries. You can. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hello everyone. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello. Hello. Hello everyone. How are you doing? Let's see how. Hello. Hello everyone. How are you doing? Hello everyone. How are you doing? Hello everyone. Fade in. Hello fade everyone. Out. Reverse. Everything is going reverse. You can understand, right? Hello everyone. How are you doing? Can you over? Hello everyone. How are you doing? Hello everyone, how are you doing? So you can customize, it's amazing, right? You can record sounds and make it in a robot. You can make it softer, you can make it slower, whatever you want to do, you can do here. So I think what you understood with this part. Now, come. I think you would be doing this one. Okay, now let's come here if you want. Let's start with here. You have these things. These are very easy parts. So if you see, this one does nothing. This one, you can just scroll it. This one does nothing. I don't know if is it doing anything or not. It is not visible to you. Okay, let me tell you what is here. You can scroll like I read this. Now they can't see what is this written. They can't see what is this written. It's too small. Hey, what's that written? Teeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't know what is this written. Let me make a huge, gigantic block. You can see. What is this written? Can you see? Let's see. Oh, you can't. You can see now. So I think you understood what is this. Let me resize the wall. How you got, like if it's nothing written in the code, how can you get to know? You can see the small dots. You can see the small dots. Here you have. These all dots can also tell you what these all mean. Okay. So suppose I'm decreasing it. So see, this distance are going far away now. Yes. Okay, what this does, it brings the code into middle. If it is here, if I click, it will come to middle. Okay. Look at this. Okay, so you understood. Okay, it's nothing. I just customize it. Okay, it's good now. I think it was paining. Are you feeling hurted? You were hanging upside down. I think you understood what is this. Now let's see. What are these? You would be knowing what are these? Okay, you would be knowing. So let's come here. Right? So let's come here. So these are nothing. I showed you multiple times in this video only. And you would be seeing this multiple times in my further videos also. So there's nothing to worry about. It's simple. You can add your sprites. Okay, you have your letters from A to Z in different patterns and different varieties. Okay, in different whatever you want, how to do it. Okay, I have fashion, you have happer, you have glasses, you have dresses, you have shirts, you have scarves, you have bow tie, shorts, sunglasses, vintage, and like everything related to fashion. Then you have food. You have an apple, you have a banana, you have a ball, you have a bread, you have a cake, you have cheesy puffs, yummy. You have a hat candy, you have a watermelon. Here you have something takeout and many. And then these all sprites are related to food. It's okay. So here you have sports. These all are related to sports. Here's the referee. Here's the pitcher. Here's the outfielder. Everything. Our trumpet, speakers, singer, saxophone, drums, tabla, guitar electric, keyboard, radio, and all. Everything related to music. These all are everything related to dance. Everything related to fantasy. Like you can't see a unicorn. You can't see a skeleton nowadays. You can't see a wizard dog nowadays. Yes, you can see this like fat guy in this world. You have different people, different human beings. These are human beings. But I don't think this is maybe a mistake. You can see all the animals. Such a cute one. Okay. Very scary. And all of these are merged here. Okay. So instead of scrolling down and searching for one of the sprites, if you want an animal, you can come here. If you want a dancing person, you can come here. If you want some music, fashion, whatever, you can come here. Okay. So now let's see backdrops. Okay. Before seeing all of this, let's like these. If you click here, you will see these all. Okay. If you click here, you will see paint. You can design your own sprite. Okay, so let me show you how. I told you while explaining costumes, you can do the same here. You can do the same, like you can also type here, but it will be a long step, like coming to costume and then adding. Instead, you can go directly here. So here you have its wings, here you have its like everything, whatever you want. Okay, you can like design and all, what you want to do. Erase it now. Erase it. You can make your own. I told you this, right? Okay. Now we're coming to next. I'm to delete it. Oh no, I deleted by mistake. No worries, I can restore it again. Okay. You have surprise. If you click, you can get any. No, we don't know. Like, you are not sure. It can give you anything. If I go to again surprise, I will see a tree. He's talking to the tree or what? Maybe. Now if you want this sprite to be bigger, you have to just click here. Like, can make it bigger. I think it will be a little long. 1 minute. If you want it to be bigger, okay. So what you have to do, like you were here, which was wrong. You have to come here. Okay, this point one, select one, sorry, and this one is reshape. Okay, and this is select. When you come to select, you will see this. You can make it bigger, right? So the prince is talking to the tree. How? Very friend. Now come to this one. Load. You can upload your sprite from here. Okay. So actually, this is a very boring sprite. You can make that he's on the tree. The tree is here near the bridge, and the prince is standing here. Hey, what kind of like this is? Okay, like it's an imaginary, and the sprite is I don't know what he's doing. Okay, the sprite is something doing here. Nice thing. And the sprite is in middle of the river, surviving. It's a funny picture. You can also make these kind of pictures in Scratch. I hope you'll have you had fun like while making this all. Okay, we completely gone to some other topic. Now let's see the backdrop part. In backdrop, what you can do is that if you go to the search one, you can have these all. Here you have backdrops related to patterns. Backdrops related to sea. Backdrops related to space. These all are related to space. Spaceship. For now I can delete all this. Okay, let me delete. Oh no, I deleted the cat. Can you tell me what to do? Tell me in the comments. Okay. I think I can do again. Add. Is there any solution? Please let me know in the comments. Okay. So where's my cat? Yeah. Where I have to go now? Yes. The cat is an animal and I have to go to animals. So when I go to animals, I can see the cat. So the cat is here now. I found my cat. Hey, where you were? Okay, my buddy. And spaceship now. Okay, maybe horrified. is surprised that what is in. Okay, so we have all related to castles and all fantasy. We can see castles in this era. Yes, the castles were in the like in the generation of the kings and queens, and we see or we recognize them as monuments. Okay, so let's come here. But of course, you can see a witch house. If you know a witch house, tell me in the comments. You have music, okay, like there's a theater and a concert. Sports, you have different grounds. Outdoors, these all are like outdoors and all. Indoors, your rooms or house. You have party also. You can make a party, bash, and space and underwater and patterns. And I can also draw one of them. So you can also upload. This is a tree hanging on my, well, I don't know what is hanging. Here is the bush. Bush are usually green. I got another color. Don't worry. You can play the sprite here, right? What, like this, you can draw your backdrop. Is my draw backdrop looking cool? Maybe it would be looking cool, but I don't know. And here is a pond lying in the streets. Hey, how pond can lie in a street? Actually, I'm foolish. Okay, here is my big pond. Isn't big? A small pond. So like this, you can make a backdrop. And you can also upload one. In surprise, you can get any means any. Okay, and upload, suppose my bridge one. See, another backdrop. How many backdrops I have now? I have to delete all of them. I don't need to delete. I will delete my after this video. So this is what this do. Now coming to the most interesting part of this video is extensions. What is extensions? Yes, extensions. What is this? You can see this little guy, or it is not a guy, a little icon here. What is this? This is only the huge, the mighty extension. Not mighty. Maybe. Okay. So let's see there, peep into it. What is it here? So extension is something you can add more blocks, okay, which will make your project more interactive, more interesting. Like if you want to draw something, here you have pen. If it is all, here you have pen up, and there you can do everything whatever you want. Okay, so like this you can I think it's not working. It would work, but because I'm not sure, okay, what I have to make, so I'm not knowing what to, like it's not doing. Sad. Don't worry. Okay, it's working now because I did a stem one. Okay, so like you can add more of these. You can make Mackie. Okay, here when space key pressed. Where's my sprite now? Hey Cathy, where are you? Oh, now again did. Okay, so the cat is in. Come here. Little zero. here you can like if you want to scratch here, so you have to write 0 0. Where would it go? See, 0 0. It's in the middle now. So like this, you can use extensions to make a project more like this. You can make text to speech, you can make translator, and these all, the Scratch has been collaborated with, like for text to speech with Amazon Web Service, AWS. For translation with Google, you would be knowing Google Translate. For Makey with Jobaz, Microbit with Microbit collaborated. Lego Mindstorms, EV3 with Lego, and you can see more. And here they are also mentioned, okay, like these extensions also have a disadvantage kind of a thing, that they, like if they want Bluetooth or if they want network, here it is mentioned that this project, if you're using this project, sorry, this extension, you have to use these all, okay, like you have to connect with the Bluetooth device and all. And I will, like, if you are a pro in Scratch, okay, and you want to know how to use extensions, you can visit the Scratch team channel, which is made by Scratch, and the Scratch experts will tell you how to use these extensions properly. Yes, I will also tell you how to do, but you first have to be pro in Scratch. If you're able to make stories, if you're able to make games, then you are good to go with extensions. Yes, some of the extensions you can use as a beginner, but there are some extensions which need some calculations, or like something related to computer science, okay, maybe it will be needed. So if you are pro in Scratch, you can visit the Scratch team and you're in a YouTube channel, okay, in a YouTube. Let me show you how. First of all, you have to open YouTube, search Scratch team, and you can see many videos which are provided by Scratch, and these all are tutorials, okay.
Hi
see?
Everyone, it's Zoe from the Scratch team, also known as...
So you can see, okay, and then you can search how to add extensions and all. And then you can check it out. Video sensing, tutorial sensing in Scratch, and more you can see. So everything you can get here, because this is provided by Scratch, and you would see like as the name only suggests, Scratch team. You can go. Now next, what I wanted to tell you, how to download Scratch, right? Let me tell you how to download. Open Scratch. Actually, I'm typing a URL. So what I have to do? Small letters. Scratch.mit. Edu. There we go. You will see this one button to download it, right? So I would be knowing this web version, okay. So I just told you what is this. Now let me tell you how to download it. 1 minute. So you have to add just slight different like in your URL, that so what is it, like scratch. You know the spelling? SCRATCH .mit.edu. Then you have to apply /download. You will see the pop-up enter in your screen. Here you go. You have to do some procedures. You should have Windows which is above 10. Well, this like why above 10? Because we are downloading the latest version of Scratch. If you want the older versions, here you have the older versions. See, this 2.0. Okay, you have to just follow the steps. But here you have 1.4, which is very, very, very old, I think. Okay, not very, very, very old, but yes, it's old, right? Now you have to choose your OS first. If you are using Windows, I am using Windows, so I will go with Windows. If you're using Mac, you have to download Mac. Chrome, I don't know, Google Play. Android, okay. So both this you will get on Google Play. If you click here, you will see you can install. If you are using Chrome OS or Android, I am using Windows. I would be not able to download. I would go to Windows. You can do direct download, and here we have to say a setup. You have to save it. It will download. You can get it directly from Microsoft Store. If you have, because like above like 10 plus, you have a store wrap, which is not available in Scratch, not Scratch, Windows 7 and all. Here you have, you can just click on open. It will start to download. Okay, actually I had already done it, so it would download. Just same as that. And 1 minute, pause. Okay, let me show you the wizard first of all. How is it done? So here are the requirements. Would you like to create and save Scratch without an internet connection? Download the Scratch free app. Okay, so if you download, you don't need network, but in web version you need network. But yes, web version also has its advantages. So here you will ask, this is a wizard. So if you want that anyone who is using the computer can use it, so you can do that. But I don't want anyone to steal my ideas, so I'm just doing for me. I will go to install. Okay, that Scratch is running, so I will just click on OK. See, it will be installed. Wait for a minute, and I will show you up this. Just have to click finish, and then you're good to go. Your Scratch is open. See, here you go. You have a Scratch. Now, as I told you, what is Turbowrap? Like I didn't told you yet. So suppose you want to open, you had made a project and you want to open it, right? So what if open your particular project, click there. So you would be not able to open, okay, because you Scratch doesn't, like the latest version of Scratch doesn't open in the creating when you like this in the app, it doesn't open and you can't play. So for that, when you click on it, it will not open. So you can look for an app. So I already have Microsoft Store. You can download in your web browser. Okay, you have your Turbowrap. It's free. Okay, let me show you some of these screenshots. Here you have. You can also create, but it's better to stick with Scratch only. Through this you can open Scratch. Turbowrap is made by an organization by Thomas Weber. Okay, he's having more apps, and there are more here, but we don't want to stick with these all. If you just simply download Turbowrap. Okay, when it will be downloaded, you can open your projects. Okay, my Turbowrap has been downloaded. Let me click on open. It won't ask you nothing, just simply it will open your this. By default it will show you an ice cream cube. I don't know why it shows. I think it's by default something. Okay, so like if now I again open, see now whatever I will download, it will see like my Scratch project will looking like this in a particular like. See, if I play, can pause, play. I want to play. See, it is the same as Scratch. You can also add something. And you can do whatever you want again. So I just saw the demo, okay, of Scratch. Like I want to leave now. So that this was what I wanna like. This is what I wanted to show you about Turbowrap. Okay. So opening files you can only open with Turbowrap. Okay. So I hope you only. So Mrs. Cat, not Mr. Mrs. Cat wants to tell you something. Let's hear what she wants to tell. So here is Mrs. Cat, and let's listen what she wants to share. See, she was begging to me that I want to tell you something. Let us hear.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to be inventive.
What? You copied my dialogue? Huh? I know. You are very jealous for me, right? Okay, whatever she said, please do like that. Actually, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm stealing her voice again. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can just give me write down in the comments, and please answer my questions. Okay, what I asked you, so that you can be like interacted, okay, with this channel. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And once more, subscribe the channel, like it, share it, so to be inventive. Okay, and bye.